Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
We're about to go to self-tape prison, but right now Gabriel is rocking out in his room. Ooh, spooky.
If anyone recognizes that, that's the song that plays whenever you're in Hyrule Castle from Breath of the Wild.
I didn't know. It just sounded spooky and cool. Dun, da, da, da.
I got 100% on the final exam for grammar.
You are done with grammar for
English.
6th grade, English, and yeah, congratulations. Hello. We are going back to the city. Are you gonna take a little rest?
Probably.
Yeah. It's strange because it's raining, but it's really bright. So I need my sunglasses. I don't understand. I don't know if you heard that. There's a person driving and the car alarm is going off. What does that mean? Does that mean that they stole the car and they're just like driving with the car alarm? I have no idea. Back at the museum on the green parking level. Okay, so I'm in the train exhibit and I have to show you something once it's daytime again. Okay, so looks like there is a family that's being chased and attacked by bears. And then on this porch, there's a lady with pet skunks. All right, I am on the loading dock waiting for Gabriel to be finished. And it is so windy that it felt like my car just, it didn't lift, but it felt like it was trying to push it forward. Wow. You can hear the wind.
It's really windy out.
You almost didn't make it to the car. It was like... They were wrestling. Final clip. I am the only person in my bed. Horatio's getting ready for bed right now. Tomorrow is going to be an interesting day because there's a somewhat longer rehearsal schedule for Gabriel. He also has an in-person callback tomorrow. So what I think we're going to do is he'll get up, he'll do his school, and then we will go to his rehearsal. Then he will go to his callback, and then he'll go back to his rehearsal. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do, how that's going to all play out. So until tomorrow.